The Drooms secure link makes collaboration seamless, secure, and efficient. Let me show you how easy it is. Say you need to quickly direct a colleague or stakeholder to a specific document. Simply navigate to the file or folder, right-click, and select Secure Link. Alternatively, use the document viewer to generate a link that takes users directly to the exact page they need. Now that you have the link, you can easily share it in Drooms Chat, Q&A, or Findings Manager. Just paste it, and it instantly becomes a clickable hyperlink, giving your team immediate access. But here's where it gets even more powerful. You can link documents together within bookmarks. Imagine bookmarking a due diligence report and linking it to related financial statements. This ensures everything stays connected while preserving context for your team. Not everyone has the right permissions, but what if someone needs access? Simple. If a user clicks on a restricted link, they can request access instantly. Administrators will be notified and can grant or deny access with a single click, keeping document sharing secure while maintaining control. For brokers and sellers, instead of manually sending invitations, you can embed a folder link in your investor portal listing. Potential buyers simply click the link and request access, significantly speeding up the due diligence process. And here's another efficiency boost. Document links are now included in the index export. Instead of searching manually, just open your Excel file, click the link, and you're taken directly to the document you need. Try it out today and see how much more efficient your document workflow can be. For more help, contact our team through our website.